Good morning. It's Friday morning, March 28th, math test day. We're doing a final review this morning.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Because of our field trip yesterday, we were without our math, so thank you, Weston Spencer, for providing your worksheet for us to look at this morning. Hey, so it looks like we're doing some division with whole numbers and with fractions, and multiplication with whole numbers and fractions. So we're just going to review. We have just one page review notes here. So tell me, what's 11 divided by 6?
11, 6.
Can you reduce that to a
1 and 5, 6.
Okay, 1 and 5, 6. So 6 minus 11 minus 6 is 5. So 1 and 5, 6. How about anybody know what 1 divided by 5 is? Is that a whole number or a fraction?
It's fraction, it's 1/5.
Correct. Good job. Max, you want to take this next one?
Mm-hmm.
What's 5 divided by 9?
5 ninths. 5 ninths.
5 ninths. Can that be reduced any?
No.
No. 5 ninths is the answer. This one's a little bit different. Harrison, this is yours. What's 23 divided by 10?
It's 23 tenths.
That can be reduced.
Yeah.
What would that do?
So 10 going on to 22 times, which would be 2, with 3 left over, 2 and 3 tenths.
Good. That's good. Max, you with us on that one?
Mm-hmm.
Now
And the weird thing is, if you look at it, it's 23. It's 23 tenths. 23 tenths.
Okay. Now we're going to get a little bit more difficult. This is so now we need to find the quotient. We're dealing with fractions now. So 3 divided by 1/4. What would the answer to that be? What would you change that to? 3 divided by 1/4 is the same thing as what?
3 times?
12.
3
times 4.
3 once times 4 once
Which should also
Equals-
be 3 times 4.
equals 12 once, and that equals 12.
Yep. So if you're dividing by a fraction, you change it to multiplication by flipping the 1/4 to 4.
And if the 3's on the
If the three-
outside, then it's going to be a fraction.
If the 3's on the left side, it's a fraction. If the whole number is on the left side, it's a fraction. If the whole number is on the right side, if the 3's on the left side, it's going to be a whole number. If the whole number is on the right side, it's going to be a fraction, right?
Yeah.
So if you divide by 1, it's going to be the same as the number you're dividing it into. If you divide by less than 1, the number is getting bigger. If you divide by more than 1, the number is getting smaller, right?
Yeah.
So what's 2 divided by 1/12? What's that the same thing as?
2 times 12.
And the answer is
24.
correct.
So this you kind of just need in the
3 divided by 1/3 is the same
I'm
as
still
what?
writing real quick.
This is not.
Yeah, 3 divided by 1/3 is the same as what, Max?
3 divided by 1/3 is 9.
Yeah, so it's the same as 3 times 3. Now we're going to go the other direction. If you divide 1/4 by a whole number on the right, 1/4 divided by 5 would be what?
1/4 divided by 5 would be 1/20.
Right.
Because you have to hit the 1 on top.
So it'd be the same as 1/4 times 1/5.
Yeah.
And so that'd be 1/20th. Nice. So number 9 here, we're on number 9 of 13 review problems. Number 9, 1/5 divided into three pieces would be
1/5 times 1/3 would be 1/15.
That's right. Good. Max, you with us on that one?
Yeah.
Number 10, Max, when this one's yours. 1/3 divided by 3.
So it's 1/3 times 1/3,
Yep.
and that equals 1/9.
Excellent.
Alright, now I'm going to go to the...
Now we have to deal with what's become a word problem. It's the same calculation, but you have to take the word problem and convert it to a formula. So Diana has 9 pounds. So think about it, a big 9-pound bucket of potting soil, and she wants to put 1/4 of a pound into each small flower pot. So the equation then would be 9 divided by 1/4.
9 divided by 1/4 would be 36.
So it's the same as 9 times 4, right?
Yep. 36 flower
Yeah.
pots.
So you could, if you want to put a fourth of a pound in each pot and you have 9 pounds, it's 9 times 4. You could do.
And it wouldn't be 136
No, it would be
of
30.
flower.
Right. It'd be 36 flower pots you could fill up. 36 of those 1/4 of a pound flower pots.
And make sure you put your label.
Make sure you put your label.
I did.
Nice. So number 12, we've got 2 to go here. Max, this one's yours. A relay race is a fourth of a mile long. That's 1 time around the track is 1/4 of a mile. 4 times around the track is 1 mile. A relay race is 1/4 of a mile long, and you have 4 people who are dividing that 1/4 of a mile up. So if each team member runs the same distance, what fraction of a mile does each team member run?
So it'd be 1/4
It wouldn't be 16
divided by,
of a mile.
it'd be 1/4
Divided by 4.
4, and that equals 1/4 times 1/4, and that equals 1/16 of a
That's right.
mile.
You got that one? You with us on that
Yeah,
one?
because
Here?
it wouldn't be 16 miles.
No, not if you're not just 1/4 of a mile race. It couldn't be 16 miles. That's kind of your common sense check to make sure that
Yeah.
you wouldn't say that 4 people divide up a 1/4 of a mile and get 16 miles. That doesn't work, does it? All right, 5 friends. So you 2 and 3 more of your buddies
Oh, sweet.
have to move 23 pounds of dirt. Each friend, so you're going to divide that 23 by 5 people. Each friend moved the same amount of dirt. Use an equation about how much dirt each of the 5
So
friends move. So
It'd be 23/5,
no, 23 pounds.
which can be 23 over 5,
23 divided by 5.
which would equal 23 over 5, which can be reduced to 5 can go into 24 times with 3 left over, so it'd be 4.
Yeah. Can you reduce 3/5 any more than 3/5?
No.
Yeah. So 4 pounds. So each of you and your 3 buddies are each going to move 4 3/5 pounds of dirt. We ought to convert that to mulch and maybe divide.
Oh, no.
Let's divide that truckload of mulch on our driveway by 3 of us and see how much of each of us has to put out each.
Well,
Thank you,
Thank
Weston,
you, Weston, for your worksheet.
and like and subscribe.